Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be discussing the best programming language for beginners. Have you ever wanted to learn how to code but have been overwhelmed by the sheer number of languages available? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, I will be breaking down the best language to learn and how it can help you start coding as soon as possible. So, first things first, when it comes to learning a programming language, you want to find something that is versatile and user-friendly. It's important that the language you learn can be applied to various fields and industries, so you can make sure that it can give you the foundation you need to keep learning and growing in your coding journey. That said, I believe the best language for beginners is Python. Python is a versatile language with tons of applications, from web development and software engineering to machine learning and AI. It also has a clean and simple syntax, which makes it a great language for beginners. Plus, it is an open-source language, which means you can easily access tons of free resources out there to help you learn and grow as you go. Moreover, Python is a highly popular language, so there are numerous communities out there to help you learn more and stay motivated. Being part of a close-knit coding community can be invaluable to a beginner, as you can often get the answers they need without having to search endlessly. Finally, Python has an awesome ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, which can make your coding journey even easier. So to sum up, if you're a beginner looking for a programming language to learn, Python is the way to go. It has a lot of features that make it ideal for newcomers, plus there are lots of resources out there to help you learn successfully, so why not give it a try? I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Take care and happy coding.